Hello YouTube, welcome to tutorial number 2. Today we'll be discussing while loops. Here we go. I will not be discussing what we did in the last tutorial, or will I ever do that? So, yeah, catch on. We're going to go ahead and include our time green, and then we're going to include, no, we don't need that. We're going to use no, we're not going to do that anymore. We're going to go ahead and do it the hard way. I already described that that's the big daddy in the program we need to run. This describes integer I equals to 0. So we're going to go ahead and say variable I equals 0. That's what that describes. Integer. That's how I remember it. While, this is where the while loop comes in handy. So while I is less than 100, so we're going to type in while I is less than 100. That's that means in English. We forgot to add in our semicolon right here. This is why we're getting that error. Alright, so while, and then we're going to type in another bracket, which is weird squiggly one. What this means is while, and then inside that while. Right? It's just like thinking of it as, let me find this out here. Let's see. I'm pretty sure you messed around on C++ before, so we're going to be like text box text equals, no, go with form1 dot load law. Get it? It's a command inside of another command. Let's say like law means like law 1, law 2, Alright, and then it would be, this isn't a real code by the way, it's just describing it, so this wouldn't work. So this would have a text box, it would have a list box on the top of, it's probably better for than this. Alright, you would have a text box inside of a list box, get that? So it's basically a code inside of another code. That's what while is. While is inside of integer. Int name, not integer. Alright, so then while, and we're going to hit enter. Cal, I remember that, not shall. I, which is our variable. And L. Alright, you're going to have some red lines right now. Let's try that after our next code. I++. What this does is it increases the variable by 1 every time it's not equal to 100. So until it is equal to 100, the program won't close. So it's going to keep going into a loop like 1, 2, 3, 4, and the variable's going to increase because of the I++. Alright, now you're probably thinking, what the hell? Why am I getting an error right here on cal I and L? Well, right now you're probably thinking as a beginner, that's just a semicolon. No, that's not why. What it is because we didn't enter in using namespace std. That's not why either. Well, it is, but we're going to go ahead and do it a different way in this code. We're going to do std : and then that gets rid of that one, std : it's the same thing. So we're going to go ahead and do using namespace : std and std : so that's that is. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and go under the variable increase. already done, it will have the last commands. So we're going to type in give character. And then that's the keyboard input, also known as your enter. And then we're going to go ahead and return 0. And what that does is it ends the code. So we're going to go ahead and build it. You shouldn't have any errors if you copy this. I'm using Visual Studio. Alright, here we go. See that? It went all the way from 1 into a loop and increased all the way up. And then whenever we hit enter, we can type in stuff right here. But it won't matter. Because once we hit enter, it's going to go to 100. Watch it go click. It went to 100. Alright. That's basically the code. Any questions? Leave a comment. You do not have to subscribe. See you over in tutorial 3.